In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Bybit. This is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to buy crypto on Bybit, you must first head over to the Bybit website or the Bybit app and just go ahead and log into your account. From there, when you are logged in, you should be able to see an option which says buy crypto, and on PC you can find that in the top left corner. And from there, you can choose one-click buy. Now what this does is it allows us to spend our local currency and receive a crypto in return. So the first thing you must do is choose the fiat currency which you're able to deposit into. So if you're from a country where you use euros, for example, you'll have to make sure you select euros. However, if you don't use euros, you can select this one and you can choose from any of these currencies on the list. And when you're happy, you can go ahead and choose how much you're looking to spend in that currency. So let's just say I was looking to spend 100 euros, I can do that. We can now go on to the bottom option, which is the crypto which we're looking to buy. So if we click on this here, we can see newly listed coins, as well as the top coins, and we can also search for coins if we want. So if you didn't really mind what you bought, you can kind of just go through here and pick anything. However, I'm assuming most of you have got a coin in mind which you're trying to buy, such as Bitcoin or something like that. So you can basically just choose whichever coin you want, and it will show you how much you will spend and how much you will receive. Now from there, you will have to make sure you have the fiat currency in your wallet, because as you can see, my euro balance down here is actually 0 euros, and it's asking me to deposit before I'm actually able to buy my Bitcoin. So in order to do that, you can simply click deposit, and you can then go through this process to buy euros, and they make it really quick and easy with their built-in payment method providers. So once you've done that, you can go back to the screen we were just on, and from there, you should now see your fiat balance is updated right here, and you will be able to swap your fiat currency for Bitcoin or whatever crypto you chose. So that's how you can buy crypto on Bybit. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.